So here we have this VEVOR outdoor rocking chair. Now, full disclosure, this is a paid review, but the opinions in this video are my own. Alright, so I'm going to quickly unbox this and show you how to set it up, and then I'll give you a closer look at it. Here's everything that came in the box, just a bunch of plastic pieces for the seat, and then in here are some more of those pieces. There's also a bunch of little bags with the hardware you need to put it together and the instruction manual. Also, all the pieces are labeled and have threaded inserts, which should make them pretty easy to put together. Alright, so first we're going to assemble the back of the chair. This is pretty simple. We just got to lay all these pieces out like this, and then use 4 of the shortest 50mm bolts to connect them all together. And now we need to attach this plank to the bottom piece using the 4 shortest screws it comes with. Then we can put together the legs, and these take the 4 longest 95mm screws. Also, make sure you have these oriented the correct direction like I have them here. And now we can attach the seat to the legs using the 4 70mm bolts and nuts. And you can see on the back side here I connected it through the top hole, but it's actually supposed to go through that bottom hole, which I'll correct in just a sec. Then attach the other side exactly the same way, just the 2 bolts through the outside and then the nut on the inside. And once you get all the bolts through, make sure you come back and tighten them all down. Then connect in these 2 horizontal braces using 4 more of the shortest bolts. Now we're going to attach the fronts of these armrests using the pair of shorter bolts and nuts. And make sure the armrests are on the outside of the vertical pieces, and make sure you put the bolt through the inside. And then for the final step, we need to attach the back of the chair. This was a little bit tricky because these pieces are a pretty tight fit, but anyway, these top bolts are the remaining 50mm bolts, and then the bolts for the bottom are the last 2 bolts that are left, and those are 70mm long. And there we go, that was super easy. Took me just about 20 minutes to fully assemble it. And it's actually really sturdy. It's made from these solid plastic boards with this wood stamped texture on them. Looks pretty nice. I do wish there were a few more color options though. And then it's put together with these stainless steel bolts. I think it looks really nice, but I do wish it had a few more color options. And since it's fully made of plastic, it's perfect for outdoors. It's also fully weatherproof. Anyway, I tried this thing out and it's pretty comfortable for not having any cushions. The seat has a nice comfortable gradual curve, and then the back is angled backwards at about 5 degrees. It has a really nice, almost 20-inch wide seat. It also has nice sturdy armrests on either side that are at the perfect height. Also, all the corners on these pieces are rounded over, so they're just nice and smooth. And then, of course, the rocking feature works really well. As I mentioned before, it's a super sturdy chair. It's really solid, no movement. All the pieces are nice and thick, and it has a weight rating of up to 400 pounds. So yeah, overall, it's a really nice and sturdy outdoor rocking chair. One thing that would make it better, though, is if they had a few more color options. But overall, really nice outdoor rocking chair.